Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a perfect ceiling repair. I'll show you how to apply the joint compound and then a new amazing tool that makes skim coating a breeze. And if you missed the last videos in this series where I showed you how to apply a fiber-fused drywall tape and also how to do all the mud work to get a nice flat ceiling repair, I'll leave a link in the end screen at the end of this video, and I'll also have a special announcement about my channel. All right, so I got the all-purpose joint compound. It's not really thinned down. It's got a little water in it, just kind of made creamy, so there's no air bubbles, or it limits the air bubbles. So what I'm going to do is I'm doing my third coat, and I'm going to apply the joint compound with my 12-inch, and then I'm going to come back. This is my secret weapon. I'm going to come back with this smoothing blade and go over the whole repair. It's a DIYer's dream come true because you can do some sloppy mud work and totally clean it up with this 24-inch tomahawk. So what I'm going to do is apply it the same way I did the last coat. I want to build it up on each side of the tape. I want to keep this to a minimum or we're going to have a big hump. So I'm just going to fill over here and keep the joint compound to a minimum, but I'm also going to know that I'm coming back with the tomahawk smoothing blade to clean it all up. But it can be rough, it doesn't have to be perfect. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of these type of videos. Let me know in the comments what kind of drywall project you're working on. I'm going to go ahead and skim coat the gray paper of the drywall so it's all the same. All right, continuing. And as always, I'll leave a link in the description to my Amazon influencer store where I have all the tools I used in this video and all my other videos where you can check out more information about them and purchase them at no extra cost to you. But I do, however, get a small commission. Just kind of making sure there's not any voids. Want to have joint compound over everything. But I'm not worried about the lines. Here I'm just checking all the joints to make sure they're nice and flat, or if there is a hump or bump, I can apply a little extra compound so it makes it flatter. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you're liking these videos. All right, so it's time for the tomahawk smoothing blade. I'm using my 24-inch, and I'm just going to go lightly over this whole repair. So here we go. Again, I'm going to put some pressure on this to make this line go away, but I'm also kind of going to let this side float because I don't want to take too much compound away. Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, contractor, painter. Just kind of curious. All right, I'm going to go over this ceiling repair one more time with this smoothing blade. Again, I'm applying pressure to the right side to knock that line down. And I'm just going to continue across the whole repair, removing any lines and humps. I do see a couple more little spots. Let me hit that real quick. Right here in the center. And I'm just going to work my way over to the right. No pressure on the left side. Going to leave no lines after this. All right, so there is the repair after it's been skim coated once with the Columbia Tomahawk smoothing blade. And I wanted to mention about my channel, I am going to be enabling memberships to the Drywall crew. So be sure to look for some upcoming posts on my community page about that. And leave me a comment about what you think would be a good perk for my memberships. And if you want to catch the next video or any of my upcoming videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button now in the center of the screen to keep up with all my videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll leave some of my most popular video links down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching.